Hi, it's Lindsay with the Mom Edit. I am talking about my favorite topic yet again, comfort shoes, specifically Birkenstocks. Okay, so if you are wanting to know everything about Birkenstocks, you can check out the Ultimate Birkenstock Guide on our blog. You can check it out for tips of how to break in Birkenstocks, sizing information, the width is confusing, and details of a lot of different Birkenstocks. But today, I just wanted to show you some of the newer Birkenstocks I've gotten in that I have tried and am excited to share with you. This year, I ordered a ton of Madrids and Arizonas because they are my favorite Birkenstock styles, and I wanted to take a closer look at some of the variations of those two styles. So let's start with the first pair, the Birkenstock Arizona Silver. This particular pair comes in a soft footbed, which I was very excited to try. Shayna loves the soft footbed. It's great. This is a very cute style. With the silver soft bed, you're gonna get the regular buckle, and you can notice that the leather is a little bit stiffer with the shiny variations. So if you want less in-your-face silver and a softer leather, the taupe is a very good option. These are really pretty. These have a little bit more of a natural look with the natural color and the gold, the taupe metallic. They do have the typical suede footbed, which is soft and cozy, and I really like the feel, but it does show eventually like your foot mark, and it does get a little bit grungier sooner. So I wanted to point out these are my favorites and my most worn right now. I love that they are the shiny patent leather. These are great for keeping the kind of nice clean look for longer when it comes to Birkenstocks. I also love the big gold buckle, and you can see that the footbed is not the typical suede. They're very comfortable, and I've been very happy with these. Another variation close to these is the Birkenstock Milano. This particular pair is almost identical to the Arizona, except that it has the slingback, the extra strap in the back. For those of you that have a hard time keeping the Arizonas on your feet and you want more added security, the added back strap is nice. These are my least favorite of the Arizonas that I tried, or the Arizona type. For me, it's just a little too much going on. The other negative is that if you are a person that has a hard time getting used to Birkenstock straps, especially the patent leather versions, they're a little bit harder. It just means one more strap that you're having to get used to and that is gonna be rubbing against your foot. So something to consider. And then the final Arizona that I wanted to show you guys, the EVA version of the Arizonas. These are great. These are so light. They are really great for anything water. So I bring these on every warm weather vacation. They're great for anything related to water. And they're light and easy and very, very comfortable. Even though they're more budget friendly and they're made, of this lightweight material, they still have the molded footbed and the comfort that we all know and love from Birkenstock. So my other favorite Birkenstock style is the Birkenstock Madrids. For the past several summers, they have been my most worn style of Birkenstock. They're a classic look, they're clean looking. I think they have a stylish, kind of chic look, and they look great with both dresses and with jeans and t-shirts and casual. This year, I wanted to take a look at a few new colors as well as new to me variations. This is the soft pink. They are really pretty. I can't believe I ordered these because I am not a pink person.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
But they are very, very pretty, especially for summer. These are kind of a typical Madrid, the suede footbed and the regular leather strap. And I do want to say one thing about the Madrids. There are people that cannot wear them.
Sorry.
So I get a lot of feedback when I talk about how much I love the Madrids because people say that they fall off their feet and that they can't walk on them. I think you're either a person that can wear Madrids or you're a person that cannot wear Madrids. But if you cannot wear them, I would definitely recommend the Arizonas instead. So to take a look at another pair of Madrids, I just want to compare the soft pink with the black. Same style in that it's the big buckle, the wide single strap. The footbed is a little bit different. It is a solid black leather. This is going to get less grungy than this. Is something that I like about the dark colored Madrids. These are very classic looking. I love the silver and these are very pretty. I actually just was trying them on again and reminded of how much I really, really like this style. The silver and the kind of more matte leather is kind of a nice switch up if you're not into the little bit shinier, fancier patent leather ones. Just to show you another patent leather version of the Madrids, these I got last summer, so they're not new, but I do really, really like them. And I did want to show that even though I've had them for a while, they still look like they're in pretty good shape. But I know that for some people, going with a softer leather is going to be more comfortable, especially at the beginning. The last pair of Madrids that I am trying right now are the Madrid Birko-Flors, and I hate these. They are plenty comfortable. However, I do not like the way that they look on my feet at all. The Birko-Flor is a different material on top. So it's the same suede footbed, but this is a synthetic material and it has this soft fleecy lining underneath. And some people say that it is softer and easier for your skin if you are sensitive to Birkenstock leather. They didn't feel that much different to me than the regular Birkenstock Madrids. These would be my least favorite when it comes to the new Madrids that I've tried. And in terms of my most favorite of the new ones, I think it's gonna be this one, which is not that much different than the ones that are on my feet right now that I've been wearing a long time on repeat. So, you know, I like what I like. I said what I said. Okay, so in addition to the Arizonas and the Madrids, I ordered a couple pairs of Papillio by Birkenstocks. Papillio by Birkenstock is a Birkenstock footbed, but Papillio designs the top. They tend to be a little bit more fashion forward, stylish, a little different from the typical Birkenstock style that you are used to. Usually the Papillio by Birkenstocks that I've tried are this wedge style, which is very comfortable, and I've found them to be a great travel shoe because of the wedge style. Some of them are a little bit dressier and they are nice to have for walking around as well as wearing to give you a little bit of height. They are very cute. The leather is soft and very pretty. It's in the sandcastle color. You can slide them on, slide them off very easily. The straps, I don't know. They're okay. I like them. They're not my favorite of all the shoes that came in for sure, but they're a nice option if you like the style and you want a Birkenstock wedge that you can just slide your foot into. So the other Papillio by Birkenstock style that I ordered is a variation of the Arizona because we know that I like the Arizonas. They are the chunky version of the Arizona and they are very, very chunky as you can see. I love these. I think these are fabulous and super fun, and I love that they're Birkenstock, so they're ultra comfortable. One thing to note is they're very firm. So when I got these, I thought that they were gonna be cushy, but they are very firm. So that means they're very supportive, but if you're looking for a soft, cushiony Birkenstock, this is not that. So if you're looking for something a little bit more playful in the Birkenstock arena, I would say definitely try these out. These are very fun and very different and very bold when it comes to Birkenstock style. So I like them a lot. Okay, that's it. Those are all of the new to me Birkenstocks that I just got in. And if you have any questions about Birkenstocks, you can definitely check out the Ultimate Guide to Birkenstocks. I'm gonna link in the description below, or you can put questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe for more, and we'll see you soon.
So many shoes.
So many shoes.